Meet Olivia, an Aussie Sydney mum with a family of 5. Olivia has had a refrigerator she's been relying on for 6 good years. But Olivia woke up to find the fridge leaking water all over the kitchen floor. Olivia doesn't know where to start to get her trusty fridge back in working order before all the family's food gets ruined. Introducing the Mobile Appliance Repair Centre, or M.A.R.C as they're known to Sydney siders. M.A.R.C is the most trusted fridge repairer in Sydney. Qualified technicians with expertise unmatched. They have over 15 years experience in the industry. M.A.R.C are the experts when it comes to repairing fridges of all major brands, including Samsung, LG, the likes of Westinghouse, Electrolux, and many other brands. M.A.R.C back all their repairs with an unbeatable 2 years parts warranty and only use the best Factory OEM parts. So if your fridge is noisy, or if it's leaking, not cool, or just not doing what a fridge is supposed to do, call the qualified experts at M.A.R.C on the toll-free number of 1800 044 841. Olivia is now super happy she called M.A.R.C, and so can you. So call M.A.R.C today for your fridge repair in Sydney, getting you cool again.